Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bitcoin Core. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log into Bitcoin Core, first, make sure you've downloaded the application. Once you have it, click it open. Once you open up your Bitcoin Core wallet, it will look like this. Go to the Files button at the top left-hand corner and give it a click. Here, you'll be able to see an expanded menu pop up. In order to create a new wallet, click on Create Wallet and follow the on-screen prompts. To open an existing wallet, go to Open Wallet and select one of your wallet that you'd like to open up. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to log in to your Bitcoin Core wallet. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.